Maruhay, Barangay Lipata. In the eastern horizon, you will never miss to look up the blue and chilly height of the famed Majas. You can see her granite and limestone cliffs with cascading and ever-flowing waterfalls. The green mansion on its back casts a wealth of actual powers that directly or indirectly provide the Colossinos with their basic needs in life, and possibly more. In the northwest, Colasi has the tongue of Antique, the site of the first settlement in the municipality. This could be an insignificant promontory or sharp turn of the municipality's shoreline, which, if adequately developed, could be an index of its capability as a great commercial port of Colasi and for the province of Antique. Lipata Lamputung Elementary School. This school site was donated by the late Juan de Malaluan, November 23, 1926. Compliments from Dolores de Malaluan, Viuda de Aloro, and hers. Lipata has two protected areas. One of them is Lipata Marine Sanctuary. From Lipasico Baywide Management Council, European Union, and the municipality of Colasi. Another protected area is the Lipata Bakawan Eco Park. This is Rizal Street. Atilano Street, named after Lipata Cabiza Juan Atilano. Our Lady of Rosary Aglipayan Chapel. It was once a parish during the Commonwealth period, but it was relegated to a mere chapel or outstation of St. Michael Parish just right after the war. De los Reyes Street. It was named after my uncle Luis Paloma de los Reyes. The lot where the chapel stands was donated by the family of my uncle Luis Paloma de los Reyes through his daughter Nympha Velasco de los Reyes Lim. Tampos Street, Ariola Street, Joso Street, named after Colasi Municipal Councilor Mabini Mande Joso. Cadigal Street. Cadigal Street was named after Vicente Cadigal. B&H Lodge. Bamboo Bridge padulong sa Sitio Baybay kag Tapikan. The Philippine Ports Authority Office in Lipata. Coast Guard Detachment here in Lipata. Diyan kita sa ongoing construction kang Lipata Port.
Kita ka George? Hindi ka George? Boleh picture na yan. Kaya nga paano ka na?
Cruhay, Lipata.